If you've ever wanted to solve a crime, shoot zombies, bathe in old VHS tape, and break stuff just for the heck of it, well then Unchartered Adventures is your new favorite spot. This is owner Damon Fogley. You come back in this like commercial park, something on the outskirts of Kyle, and then you step in here and you're like transported to about 20 different worlds. Yeah. Somehow you got a whole police car in here and smashed it through a wall. What all are you doing in here?
We have a little bit of everything, so it's a family-friendly, just entertainment venue with, we call it untraditional entertainment. So doing stuff other than like bowling or like the traditional like movie theater. Something where you could tell your friends like, hey, I did something crazy this week.
It all started with David's junk removal business. And when he found out folks would pay to smash stuff, well, he had a business idea.
This is the perfect place to put a rage room. You don't have to have rage or be angry to come here. Most people come in here because they just want to have fun. They want to jam out to their music. Some people, especially people work in like an office environment, they're going to want to destroy like computer monitors and keyboards and printers, you know, the whole office space
There is a lot of therapy in there, huh? It's true. And as a veteran himself, David loves helping others with PTSD, or really anyone with some pent-up frustration work through it. Well, man, I've got some issues I need to work through. I think we're gonna start off by shooting zombies in the face. The world as we know it has ended. The zombies are attacking. Let's blast some zombies! I've killed them all, but where'd Daniel go? Daniel, you're the zombie. Get out there. More guns.
Drew, get a gun!
All right, Daniel, you can come out. Truly no one is safe here. I mean, this place is nuts. 2 escape rooms, a tiki bar, and lots of Instagram-worthy backdrops.
Whoa!
But now for the real reason I'm here. Let the therapy session begin. Whoopsie. Y'all might want to back up. Rage! Coffee's ready. John Mark, your turn. No! Wow, this is cathartic. Did your grandma ever tell you not to play with swords in the house? Because you'd break all of her priceless antiques? I haven't felt this relaxed in a very long time. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.